right, drummers, we're gonna be working on that drum fill you just heard. Let's do it. All right, this is the Blushda lick, and the pattern for that is going to be a left-handed flam. So you've got right-left accent, followed by 2 right-hand strokes, and then another left accent. So slow, it sounds like this. Okay, so we will play 4 Blushdas, followed by 4 single strokes, right, left, so you'll get Blushda, 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 right, left. Now it's very important that you accent both of those left hands. Left-handed flam, right, left accent. So you get okay, it's very important to know the placement of the Blushda. You're not going to play the first Blushda on every downbeat, which is the quarter notes. This is going to give you a dotted 8th note pulse. So you're going to get 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. All right, let's try that a little bit faster. Next, I'm going to move my left hand up to the rack tom on the last note of every first and third Blushda. Blushda, 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 Blushda to the rack tom. So you will get all right, let's play that with a groove. All right, so the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to play the right hand on the first Blushda on the ride cymbal with a bass drum. So you're going to get all right, let's speed that up and play that with a groove. Alright, there it is, the Blushda lick. If you like the content you see on my channel, please head over to drummer101.com. Check out all the lessons we have to offer over there. We have both paid and free memberships. Check it out. Also, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you are working on, and let me know what lessons you would like to see on my channel. It helps me create content for you guys. So go get some practice. I will see you guys next time.